Okay. Let me English first. Let me finish.
At least tarong na rin, di ko. Dayon.
Let me compose myself.
Alam mo yung compose?
Because I can speak while I am not composed. Alin ako ay...
Inhale, exhale,
Because I
Diego.
can't be myself. Without being composed.
Biodegradable. Kaya compose.
You told me earlier.
Yeah, you're told me. You're...
Wait a minute. There's more.
Wait a minute.
You said that the girl... Ano yung Bisaya, Day? Bisaya sa Day, ako i-translate sa English ko.
Ito mali, masulti.
Sagli mo nga kaya.
Wait a minute. You just have told earlier. Oh, you make me cry, guys. I can't take this anymore. I'm about to cry.
I about to cry, Mario Step. Sige na.
That the girl is on the bed.
Sige to ganing.
Ito galing ipakita.
Kahigaan something lagi ganina, Jo.
Biyaan, kumayo ka sa
Oo.
tama.
Yung English, dugay kayo ng man.
More na istoryahan niya. More na istoryahan na
I
today.
learned English for you. Let me English first. Don't disown me as your agent, okay?
I'm not like that.
So, let's speak English.
Am I not?
You're not.
So, what am I speaking?
No, not. N-U-T.
Wait a minute! I'm not finished yet. Okay. So, the English of that is, the girl is on the bed. Am I wrong earlier?
Balik-balik. The girl is on the bed.
You didn't know how to finish.
It's easy to get the bottom line, right? Okay. Here we go. It doesn't mean to say. Perfect. It doesn't mean to say that.
The girl on the bed.
Please don't video this. This is so embarrassing. Yeah, I feel so embarrassment. Isa na. Ayaw ko katalit. Isa na! Okay. That if someone
No.
caught you on the bed, what's that?
Ano yung pinagsi mong coach? Ano yung
C-O-H.
What?
C-O?
T-C-H.
Catch! Present tense. Okay. If someone catch you on the bed,
So, gidakop kasigdaanan, ma'am.
Yeah, catch this a lot.
why you're making this so funny? Am I a call center agent?
No, you're not. You're Antonios.
Okay. So, okay, let me repeat myself.
Balik naman.
Hindi na rin sige.
Because I didn't know how to finish. You finish.
I didn't know the story. How can I finish it?
Okay.
Oh my God.
My God, this is embarrassment. What?
Pretty embarrassing na.
I'm sorry for spelling.
Ano man?
Okay.
Ano man?
I'm gonna start it from here.
Okay.
Let's start it from come here. Okay.
Murag nahugo ko sa kanang
I do
katawa.
believe that
I don't believe.
it's a beauty pageant. Some sort of things like that. Some sort of... Some kind of like that.
Mariusip. Ino ko.
Funny. It's not funny. Yeah.
Kaduhan na din nga sa ino ko.
Because some of the boys, they think that, or I mean, they thought that,
Whichever way sayop.
whichever way,
Oh.
yeah, they thought that the girl, I didn't finish yet. What is she? Si Ethel po ba? The girl that is easy to bed is the girl is good in bed.
The girl is easy to bed, is good in bed.
Yeah. Yeah. That's a deeper meaning. Yeah. So you should
O siya
have,
naka-deeper meaning anong bed nga. Girl nga nasa bed.
because when you call,
When you
did I say it wrong? Did I say it wrong? Or the other way around? Mangundang taoy, yaray! Mangundang taoy, yaray, hit, nabungan. Ah, basta ako din ako mo po yung system building nga. Aman ako pakauwa, humana, tama na.
Malingaw kung words niya.
Ano na ako mo po yung sunod, ay, wala na.
Ano man?
I cursed myself of being like this.
What are you guys?
Because
Because
What are you?
What are
Because
you?
na na why?
a question what? Ang answer
Because.
ay nasa because. Why ka na? Because ang answer na guys.
because if I talk so
Because nga.
yeah,
Kaya.
you make it so funny. Even though there is no funnier. Yeah, so that's why I didn't want to come with you guys. It's because the more I talk, the more it
Hindi ka talo ha. Manok yun.
Because
The more it.
The more it. Post man noon. Gigo.
I'm thinking the next word. It is because
The more it.
the more I talk seriously,
Boy, bakit ka na sabihin?
the more I talk it seriously. Did I say it in the wrong way? Okay, I'm being serious now. It's not because I'm drunk. It is because
I'm like
I'm being serious. I'm like this because it's